What's going on, guys? So today I wanted to talk about printing on location, how and why. That's what this video is all about. First, let's talk about why. Why would you want to print on location? So for me, I love to be able to go to a family get-together, take a selfie with my sisters, and print a picture out and give it to them. I think that that's so much fun. Everybody oohs and ahs over it, and then they have something always. It's pretty neat, right? So another reason to be able to print on location is very simple, is to be able to give your client a print right then. So as you guys know, I have another side of my business, which is portraits and weddings, and it is amazing customer service to be able to provide them a printed image of their session or their wedding right there. And talk about awesome, and I love prints. Prints are really important to me. Did you know that? So, I grew up with prints, and you know, I used to take pictures with my parents' Polaroid camera. I'd shake it off a bunch, and then, man, there's the photo. Fast forward to high school, I was in a dark room printing my own pictures from my film, and I love prints, and they're so important. And today, we want to have digitals. Like, that's it. And I think that there's a really big importance on prints that we kind of forget. And talk about amazing customer service. If you can sit there on a wedding day, take photos, and then from that day print an image and hand it to your bride and groom. You will be the very first person to give them something from their wedding day. Amazing customer service. Then they can sit there and they have a print. Now they think prints are important, and they put that print wallet size in their wallet, and they have it with them forever. And they keep it there, they cherish it, they remember you. Win, win, win. So hopefully I've piqued your interest a little bit and actually got your wheels turning on printing on location. Now, how do you go about doing that? So you guys have all seen those little cameras where you can print. They're like the old Polaroids, but now I guess they're like the new day Polaroids, where you can print and the photo comes out. Now, those are awesome, but I want to be able to print from my professional camera, the one that I'm recording on right now. And what I found is that you can buy a little printer. So this is called the Polaroid Zip, and it is super cool. I'm obsessed with it. So what I love about this little printer is that it doesn't print from ink, so you don't ever have to buy ink. It is small, compact, and super lightweight. You can put it in your pocket, you can carry it with you anywhere. And then it's easy to use, and the pictures are wallet size. So again, like I was saying, is you can hand a wallet size image to your family that you just took photos of, to your sisters or my sisters, you know, that you just took photos of, to your bride and groom, to anybody that you just took photos of, and now they have a wallet print that they can put in their wallet and have with them forever. To me, I just think that that is so neat. It's just, I think it's really important. And so this little guy is really handy. I'll put the link in the description below if you want to see it or more like it. This is the Polaroid. There's a whole bunch of other options out there. I chose this one. I really like it. The things I don't like about it is that it only holds 10 pieces of print paper, and then also the colors are not awesome. So what I do is I typically only give my customers black and whites. So then that way they don't have this expectation in their head that that's what they're gonna, like, that's their final product. I want them to get the experience, get the print, have it with them without having something in their head that isn't really true. So I print a black and white, give it to them, everybody's super happy, and then yeah, so I just think it's great. But those are the things I don't like about it, is the colors are a little bit, well, not a little bit, they're really off. The colors are not great. And then Also that it only holds 10 pieces of photo paper. Now, but it's under $100. So I mean, what do you expect, right? So anyways, that's what this little thing is. I just wanted to share it with you guys. I wanted to show you what it's all about and that there are options. I wanted to give you guys the pros and cons of like why you want to be able to print on location and how awesome it can be and how important it is. And even if you're not a professional and you're not doing anything like that, like I said, for me it's really awesome to be able to take a picture and give it to my sisters. I think that that's just super fun. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more from me, I also made a blog post on this to give you different options of the variations of printers that are out there, my pros and cons list for it, and just all the things about this. So make sure to go over to my blog, check that out. The link is in the description as well. Yeah. And Instagram. I'm on Instagram. If you guys want to see me, it's at Bessie Young Photography. I post daily photos of both my portraits and my landscapes, so if you guys are interested in seeing that kind of stuff, head on over there. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next video.